long intervals. You're also going to feel your heart rate going up, side and back, front, 45, side and back, your low point. And I'm sticking my glutes to the back wall. Get your balance here, because no matter what, it's going to be tough. So lunge back, keeping your legs bent. In 5 seconds, we're going to start crossing instead of going directly back. 4, 3, 2, 1. So now cross behind, come back to center. Back, in, cross, in. Simple stuff. Turn your feet out as wide as you can. More like a sumo, and you're bringing your knee up and come to the back. If you can't do this without touch down, it's forward, it's back, it's side. Why not add the arms? It's down, it's up. So if you don't want to jump here, just lift off, maybe lift off like this. But 3, 2, 1, go, and then up, down and up. And that's going to help you to take some of the lactic acid out of this leg. If you want to, come down on this back elbow. I can't even go down from here. Usually I'm further down, but this is so tight right now. Open that up. These stretches, you can literally sit in front of the TV and do them. Your legs all the way down, and if you flex, then you should feel the back of your calves too.